How we doing, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be installing an outside socket at a client's house. So I've already ran my length of cable in, drilled my hole, done that off camera. I'm going to be spurring off this single socket here. Again, that was at the client's request. He didn't want a switched fuse spur located either here or here. So I've just spurred off with a length of 2.5 cable. Like I say, I've already drilled my hole, put my cable through. I'm just in the process of drilling my holes with my raw plugs. Right, so I'm just marking up my holes, making sure that they're level. Drilled my 4 holes with a 5.5mm drill bit, so it's a nice snug fit. And that's my new toy, my Bosch SDS drill. Prior to mounting my back box, my double socket, I'm just going to go around this hole and fill it with a wee bit of silicone just to prevent any water ingress. As you can see there, that's bang on level and socket's nice and secure. And now I'm just going to go around with a wee bit of silicone in here just to obviously again prevent any water ingress to the socket. You can obviously see down there that the wee drain pin has been drilled out to allow any sort of moisture that does get into the socket.
Okay, I've got a couple more to do and we'll catch you in about 10 minutes, probably.
Next up, it's just securing the front plate of the socket to the pattress. I find these screws a bit of a nightmare to go in sometimes. especially if you're working over decking. Just going to connect this spur back up now. This side here is my load for the washing machine. Right, I'm not sure where I last left you off, but that's the job pretty much complete. So I've got my socket mounted level, got some silicone around the top and either side of it. That's it, it's all working. I've done my testing off camera and I'm getting satisfactory readings at this outlet. As for the inside, just need to do a wee tidy up, and then I just need to button that spur back up and job's a good one. I'm not going to lie, the job has been a bit of a nightmare from start to finish with regards to drilling my hole through. There's been in behind the brick there's a cavity wall, there's a sheet of ply in beneath that, or in behind that, and it was very difficult for me to get my cable in, but eventually, after a lot of swearing and a lot of sore fingers and hands, managed to get there with it. But the customer certainly seems happy with the job, and it's just one of the ones. If you like this video or any future videos, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe to the channel for any future content, or leave any comments down below. Thanks, and I'll see you later. Bye.